Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Emily, and if you are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate it. So today I just wanted to show you, it's actually Thanksgiving, and I'm about to make a charcuterie board. So today I just wanted to show you how I make them. It's really easy, really simple. You just need a few ingredients of your choice, and it's really easy to make. So that's what I want to show you. So first I just want to say that you can use whatever you prefer. So for me, my board usually includes some Greek olives, and I get these from Trader Joe's. If you can see that. So Greek olives, I like to use some mozzarella balls, mini mozzarella balls, and I like them pre-seasoned. So we have our Greek olives, our mozzarella balls, and then I like to get a few kinds of salami or pepperoni. You can use prosciutto, doesn't really matter. So these, I also like to add in some grapes, so some red table grapes. And then I usually do like French bread with some dipping oil, but this time I'm gonna do some Texas garlic toast, and they're about this big, and I'm gonna cut them in half and then make them into like a little shape, and I'll show you what that looks like. So along with these items that you need for the board, you also need the board. I got this at Target in the kitchen section. It's just a regular cutting board, but it's big enough that it'll hold all of these ingredients on the board for a shareable size. It's obviously, you know, pandemic happening right now, so we only have like 4 people sharing this, so it's not going to be that big. So I only chose some pepperoni and some salami, and then just a few, you know, these things. But usually you can make it bigger than this, and you can add like prosciutto, you can add genoa. There's a bunch of things you can add to this, but I'm just going to keep it super simple and just use these ingredients today. And now I'm going to show you how I prepare it. Okay, one more thing before we get started. I forgot to mention, along with your cutting board or your cheese platter board, whatever you choose to lay all these ingredients on top of, along with this, I like to use 2 small bowls. So as you can see, these bowls are not huge. They're like the size of my hand. I like to use 2 bowls to put the mozzarella in one and the olives in another. So I'm going to place these on my cutting board, and you'll see that soon. Okay, so now that you saw me lay out all the pepperoni and the salami and then fill my 2 bowls with my mozzarella and my olives, now I'm going to toast my Texas garlic bread and I'm gonna lay the grapes on the platter. Okay, so now I have my washed grapes, my red table grapes, and my garlic bread is now finished toasting. I'm gonna show you how I cut it up. So I literally just cut it in half, all those big pieces, and now I'm gonna style them on the board. Okay, so that's how I make my charcuterie board. So again, I chose my olives and I put them in a small bowl. I did mozzarella in a small bowl, and then in the middle I filled it up with grapes, garlic bread, salami, and a peppered salami. But you can choose any kind of bread you want. You don't have to even add bread in here. You can choose any kind of cheese you want, any kind of filler basically. So these are the things that I chose in my board, and it works out for me quite well. Anthony's nodding yes in the back. So yeah, this is just an idea to get like the ball rolling for you if you're ever entertaining anyone or like a group of people. This is a really easy like starter for people to pick at, or if you don't want to do like a large like food preparation, this is really good to have with some wine and some chocolates. And it's really, really easy. I just toasted the garlic bread, and then it's all about the presentation, so it looks like you actually spend a lot of time on this when really it took me like not even 10 minutes to do this. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I always post a video on Wednesdays and Sundays. Thank you so much for spending this time with me in the kitchen today. I'm not a chef, but I just wanted to show how I prepare my charcuterie board. Alright, bye guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already for videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Bye guys.